This is going to be a dry run of the phase one. So basically I'm going to knock on the door. Hello. Hi. I'm Kevin. I'm your energy consultant. You'd called about information about your fixing your roof. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect with the customer and I'm going to talk about their passion and find out their goals and dreams about their home and share our passion. So I'm gonna just kind of build rapport with them. Oh wow, this is beautiful. You have a really nice house. I like the garden here. What are those plants? Those are like roses and carnations. Wow, you have a really green thumb. You know, I wish I really had some plants and flowers just like yours. This is an amazing house. All right, and then why don't we go over to the kitchen table or the living room, whichever is better. Okay, living room. Okay, great. All right, and so I sit down there, and so I asked him. All right, well, let me just ask you some questions. I want to get an idea of your situation with your house. How long have you been living here, by the way? This is amazing. Is this your dream home? And if so, how much have you invested in it? Is this your first house? Oh, this is your first house? Wow. Okay, and what did you have to do to get your house? Oh, yeah, I know. So you saved, and first you were living in an apartment for like around 20 years? Wow, okay. Yeah, I mean, the market's pretty high right now, so that's awesome. Well, congratulations on getting your house. I mean, I know you've been here for about, 4 or 5 years, so. How did you hear about us, by the way? Oh, you heard about an ad through the internet? Oh, okay, great. And just out of curiosity, what inspired you about? Okay. Well, here's what I'm going to do: is I'm going to show you a little video in regards to the about our company. It kind of gives you an idea about SaveCal, and we've been in business for over 20 years. We started off in 1997. This video will basically explain about our company. So, just a second, I'll pull it up here on my computer. Okay, and the name of this video is called Energy Efficient Home Improvement.
Our goal is to save California. Save Cal. We provide a wide range of home improvement efficiencies that help with energy efficiency, like cool roofs, cool walls, HVACs, tankless water heaters, insulation in your attic, and solar panels as well. We cover the entire Southern California area. We've been in business since 1997. We started with one little small pickup truck out of the garage, and look at us now. We are servicing at least 90 or 120 projects on any given week. We're hands-on. We're not just behind the desk talking to our customers on the phone only. We're out there in the field. We're talking to them. We're meeting with them. We're solving all the problems. We believe in reduction before production, which entails reducing energy before producing energy. That's our mission. We're helping our homeowners so that we can move into a better green world. And we want to make sure this is the right fit for each and every homeowner. So it is customized to each and every home. We have an energy auditor that does a whole full assessment of the home before we deliver any product or service. I've been out to different clients and you can see it in their face. It's just a glow, and it's life-changing for them. And because of that, it gives us the inspiration to keep doing what we're doing. Hero has been an incredible partner for us to go out there and make these things happen for the homeowners. Because if they can't afford it, why would we do it? So we're working with Hero, and Hero's working with us. And that's an important part of this team. We can't do this without Hero. There's 3 ways we're going to leave this planet. The way we came into it, worse than we came into it, or in a better place. That's what SaveCal is all about. Leaving this planet in a better place than where we came.
Okay, so that's basically just a little bit of introduction about our company. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to convert traditional homes into more energy efficient homes. Because there's a lot of factors that are involved as far as to make the home more energy efficient. And as you probably know, traditional homes, because of the not being as energy efficient, you're actually paying more in the long run, especially with your utility bill, for example, because you're using more fossil fuel energy. So this next video I'm going to show you is basically going to kind of give you an idea of about how renewable energy is explained. And it's about a 2.5 minute video, so let me just go ahead and pass this over, start showing this to you.
Energy consumption is a huge part of our daily lives. We eat with energy. We travel with energy. We work with energy. And we even flirt with energy. But where does all of this energy come from? Today we gather most of our energy from coal, oil and natural gas, also known as fossil fuels. Additionally, we gather energy from biomass, nuclear and renewables. Fossil fuels consist of extracted decomposed organisms and plants that existed millions of years ago. Biomass converts plants into biometric material to produce energy. Nuclear energy is released during nuclear fusion. Lastly, renewable energy comes from a source that's not depleted when used, such as wind or solar power. But what's the profound difference between them? How they affect our planet? Fossil fuels cost more than what we pay at the pump, and impacts our environment in many ways. These impacts include global warming, air quality deterioration, oil spills, and acid rain. It's also projected that fossil fuel resources will be depleted within the next 50 to 100 years. Biomass and nuclear energy also have similar issues. We need a solution relatively fast, and luckily, we have one. Renewable energy comes from resources which naturally replenish in our lifetime, whereas fossil fuels are a one-time use resource in the human timescale. Resources for renewable energy include sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. The best part is that we don't need to compromise our planet to harness it, nor do we have to rely on other nations for these resources, which history has shown to be a contributor to war, famine, and political instability. So, how do we get this to look like this? Presently we have the technology to be 100% renewable reliant. The truth is, our infrastructure is built around our fossil fuel dependency. If we could convert our infrastructure to what's known as a supergrid, we would be able to rely on clean, renewable energy. So, what's it going to be? Will our children live in a world full of pollution? Or should they continue the path of evolution? To learn more about a 100% clean, renewable energy future, visit thesolutionproject.org.
So basically it just kind of shows you how we're kind of going, how the world is moving today. We're kind of going towards renewable energy. The reason why I'm so passionate about this is because I have 2 young sons. They're 8 and 10, and I want, basically when I pass away, or later on in life, I want to leave this world a better place for them to live, to be much cleaner, so we don't have a lot of use for fossil fuels, and we don't leave our carbon footprint. And so that's why SaveCal is so awesome, because we have so many renewable energy efficient products. And as mentioned in the video, the first video, it says we want reduction before production. So we want to make sure we're reducing your energy cost before we install something that's going to help you save more energy. So we just, like I said, we take traditional homes, we convert them to energy efficient homes. And what is your passion as far as the renewable energy? How do you feel about that? Okay. All right, now there's one other video I want to show you. It's called The Home of the Future Today. And this is another video.
The home of the future today. Buying a home is often the largest purchase of a lifetime, with so much riding on getting it right. However, it's almost impossible to know everything about the complex design and technical options involved in home construction. That's why it's not surprising home buying can be such an overwhelming experience with numerous pitfalls to consider, such as high energy bills, moisture problems, uneven room-by-room comfort, outdated technologies, respiratory health issues, construction quality defects, and poor return on investment. Wouldn't it be great to know what leading housing experts would look for in a new home that performs to their expectations? Well, now you do. When home performance professionals are polled, they overwhelmingly choose homes that meet or exceed Department of Energy Zero Energy Ready home specifications. That's because leading experts know that every Zero Energy Ready home includes 7 must-have systems that help ensure a superior homeowner experience. Let's look at each of these 7 systems. Leading experts know optimized thermal protection with roofs, walls, foundations, and windows that meet and exceed next-generation codes help ensure your home is future-ready. Leading experts know whole house water protection inside and outside addresses one of homeowners' biggest maintenance concerns, helping to ensure from the start your home is moisture-ready. Leading experts know a high-performance heating and cooling system includes more efficient equipment and professional installation that allows your entire home to be enjoyed year-round, so it's comfort-ready. Leading experts know a complete package of high-efficiency components include water heating, appliances, lighting, and fans that save energy, work better, and help ensure your home is tech-ready. Leading experts know a comprehensive indoor air quality system protects your family from dangerous contaminants to help ensure your home is health ready. Leading experts know that solar